I literally just picked up vlogging because I love traveling. I love these new places and बस वो पैर ना रुकते नहीं है कहीं पे. कुछ तो है इन सनराइजेस में, एक सडन फीलिंग ऑफ होप ले आती हैं. इस बेरंग से आसमान में गेरुआ सी छा जाती हैं. Good morning guys, this is day 3 of our trip to Alwar and आज we'll also be going back to Delhi. Overall it has been an amazing trip. I really wasn't expecting so much out of this city, but यहाँ पे actually there is so much to like explore here and everything is really beautiful. And best part is इतना crowd नहीं है. Obviously and the weather is amazing, that is also there, but actually इतना crowd नहीं है, so it's nice. I overall had a really lot of fun and right now we are heading to Silisar Lake, which is also a very beautiful spot. A lot of riders, we do it sometimes, we go on the weekends to this lake. We've seen it before, but it again is a very beautiful place. So and it's just about 120-130 kilometers from Delhi, so yes, definitely a weekend getaway from Delhi for sure. I'm staying here at the Tarana Palace and it is spectacular. पूरा actually palace वाला feel आ रहा है. So I saw peacocks also in the morning. Got up really early, just to catch the sunrise today. So that was really special. It was very beautiful. And यहाँ पे पूरा overall like the palace is surrounded by a forest here around. So there were a lot of peacocks. I did not spot a deer though, but it's okay. it's a lot of birds, a lot of parrots, and the sunrise was actually spectacular. बहुत pretty था. And if you can see the palace behind me, it's superb. Like completely, like the पूरा royal वाला जो सारा feeling है, that's completely taken over me from the last 2 days that have been here. Let me show you around a bit. इस बार we've got some really good footage, and if you're already following me here on Instagram, and actually अभी तक if you've not subscribed, पक्का से please subscribe. That really will mean a lot to me. So this is like my first time that I'm making a vlog. इसमें मैंने पूरा research किया है, like right from places I've always been researching, like before, like even if I'm not planning to go to some place, I have this thing of knowing that what is where and कहाँ पे, like what is good, what is the good places to visit, stay, eat, whatever. So that's actually why I picked up vlogging also, so that I can share that experience with you all. And but yeah, as per like in terms of making a vlog, this is probably the first time, my first vlog after making those 2-3 videos. जो भी थोड़ा सा experience that I've gained out of it, उस पे I realized that कि सिर्फ research करना is not enough. There are so many things, other things also which go into it, like the outfit that you're wearing, the timing of the day where you're shooting it and everything. So everything, like you need to know everything. तो वो थोड़ा सा obviously experience helps also. So I'm really excited about this video, editing this video right now, because बहुत सारा रिसर्च किया है, थोड़ा सा जो भी लिटिल एक्सपीरियंस, एंड ऑब्वियसली सीइंग अदर यूट्यूबर्स एंड अदर वीडियोज़ ऑल्सो, जो भी थोड़ा सा भी एक्सपीरियंस गेन किया. सो आई वॉन्ट टू ट्राई एंड एडिट ऑल दिस इन दैट एंड make it a lot better for you all, so that you get a good experience and the video is more entertaining for you. तो I really hope that you have enjoyed this video, and surely do leave me a thumbs up if you have, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel, because obviously, like, बहुत motivating लगता है honestly, like especially at my stage of this channel where I'm like a complete newbie, and I literally just picked up vlogging because I love traveling, I love these new places, and बस वो पैर ना रुकते नहीं है कहीं पे so I have to keep traveling, and it's really a very wonderful feeling when you share that with a lot of people, other people, and obviously अगर वो appreciate करते हैं, if you guys like it, so that makes it all worthwhile. All these early mornings, late nighters, all the editing hours and all, it makes it completely worthwhile. So I really hope that you've enjoyed the video, and you'll plan a trip to Alvar also soon, because this was definitely a gem that I found. And aaj tak honestly, how many whatever people that I've spoken to, they've always been like, Alvar mein kya hai, if you want to go a little further, go to Jaipur, go to Udaipur. So obviously those places are also very, very pretty, no doubt about it, but this is like right outside, this is like, it just took us 2.5 hours to reach here, with including breaks, tea break and all. So this is like any time, एक दिन जब you can actually, अगर weekend पूरा लंबा लॉन्ग वीकेंड भी नहीं है, छोटा वीकेंड है, सो यू जस्ट टेक योर कार एंड यू कम हियर इन 2 hours, you roam around this place, and छोटा सा जगह है, very limited places, so that whole satisfaction of completing a whole area also, that it leaves you with that satisfaction, because today when I'll be going back, I'll really be feeling कि हाँ मैंने तो पूरा देख लिया. Obviously there'll be like a lot of nooks and corners that I've not seen it, but like the majority of the attractions here, which are like really famous, and something that that you would like to spend your time here, so I have seen it all, and I'm pretty happy about it. तो मतलब एक check हो गया है, and like I went to Jaipur, I had gone just for the weekend, but that was not enough, which I realized, because बहुत कुछ था जयपुर में देखने को, and even after spending 4 days there, abhi bhi I have not seen it. By the way, I'll be posting the link on the top. If you've not seen my Jaipur videos, definitely check them out. I've seen Amer Fort and all those places there, and a few of the 5 stars I've reviewed those also that I've stayed in. So definitely check that also out. Jaipur तब भी 3-4 दिन के बाद भी नहीं हुआ था. It also has like magnificent forts and all. So yeah, Alvar leaves you with that feeling कि हाँ अब आपने सब देख लिया है यहाँ पे. So this is like a complete check out of your checklist. So definitely plan a trip, guys, and I really hope you've liked this video. I'll be taking you to Silisar Lake now, and yeah, enjoy and stay tuned and keep watching and subscribe and share with your friends and family if you've liked my work so far. Before we head towards Silisar, हम लास्ट बार फिर से ट्राई करने जा रहे हैं if that famous कचौरी shop is open today. Oh my God, it is open! Finally, कितना परेशान किया है इसने.
कचौरी में क्या स्टफिंग है? दाल है, सारी दाल है।
So we have finally made it to this कचौरी पॉइंट. हम 2 दिन से यहाँ पे रोज़ आ रहे हैं, बट ये बंद होती है. So basically 11 बजे तक इनका सारा स्टॉक खत्म हो जाता है. They start at 4 AM and this is the famous कचौरी वाला here. So you get paneer samosa, which is again famous here. You get bedni puri and next thing that you get is dal ki kachori with curry or aloo. So I'm really excited to try it right now. And yeah, so this is the location. I'm going to put the location of this. I hope you can see it. Right. So I'm going to put the location in the description box below. And if you are in Alwar, so if you are in Alwar, this is one place that you must try. क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये खुला मिल जाए 11 बजे के बाद, that is also like an amazing thing. Like I said, last 2 days we've been trying to eat here, but हमेशा शाम तक हम पहुँचते थे and this used to be yours. So definitely give this a try, guys, and location will be in the description box below.
मैडम हमारी शॉप चाट कुत्ते के नाम से है. सुबह मॉर्निंग में 4 o'clock खुल जाती है.
Okay.
और टाइम ही ताज़ा फ्रेश काम चालू होता है और उसके बाद 7 o'clock खाने के लिए स्टार्ट हो जाता है.
और कितने बजे तक होता है?
ये शाम को 4 बजे तक.
शाम के 4 बजे तक. रोज कोई दिन बंद भी होती है? किसी दिन बंद भी नहीं होती है?
हाँ,
किसी दिन बंद नहीं होती?
नहीं.
अच्छा, ठीक है. और क्या क्या यहाँ पे स्पेशल क्या क्या है?
मैडम इधर बाटी कचौड़ी है, कड़ी कचौड़ी है, बेड़ी पूरी है मसाले वाली आलू के साथ, और पनीर के समोसे, सादा समोसे.
Our next quick stop is Alwar का famous milk cake. Obviously, the trip isn't over जब तक अलवर का milk cake ना खाया हो. It is all very nearby, so we're going to be heading to the legendary Baba Thakur Das at the Kalakand Market in Hope Circus. Baba Thakur Das started in 1947 and is world famous for its Kalakand. यहाँ पर there are many more really delicious sweets like bhuni burfi, chocolate burfi and yummy namkeen and all. And it's super affordable with prices from 3 to 400 per kg. So all of you with a sweet tooth must definitely try the collection for sure. After all that paid puja and that lip-smacking famous Alwar ka milk cake, which by the way is definitely a must-have, we have left for Silisar Lake. It is about 25 kilometers from Hope Circus, which is going to take us roughly around an hour to reach. You can already see how the surroundings have started to change now that we are in the outskirts of the city. There are a few potholes here and there, but overall roads का condition है fine. हमने तो बहुत late कर दिया, but best is you come here early morning or towards the sunset. The entry fee to the Silisar Lake Palace is Rs 100 per head. Is it worth it? I don't think so. But in this 100 rupees, you get a water bottle and a coffee or a small soft drink from the canteen inside. So I guess it's pretty okay. Then you have boat rides here, which costs around Rs 800 to 1000 for a full boat. So the boat is 6 to 8 seater, and that comes out to be again Rs 100 per head. Now this is a man-made lake and there are crocodiles too at the banks, so it's advisable that do not go near those areas. So this here is the Silisar Lake, and ये about 20 odd kilometers है from the Alwar main city, and this took us about almost half an hour. And this, if you can see, is the City Lake Palace, and यहाँ पे रहने के लिए भी rooms are also available here. Also यहाँ पे there's this canteen here जहाँ पे you can get your basic eatables, chips, cold drinks, Maggi and stuff like that, so that you can sit outside here and enjoy with this beautiful view. I think best है सुबह सुबह जल्दी we should come here just to enjoy the solitude of the place, because the lake is absolutely stunning. And जितना भर जाएगा उतना loud it gets. So I would prefer coming early in the morning. So I'm back from the Silisar Lake, and honestly, whenever you plan to come here, come early in the morning या फिर शाम को, because दोपहर को it's really too bright. And Alwar was an absolute royal experience. I wasn't really expecting so much out of it, because जिससे भी पूछो everybody used to be like कि Alwar में कुछ नहीं है, Alwar में कुछ नहीं है, but Alwar literally it has been a very stunning experience, and I've really felt like a princess staying in this beautiful palace. And everything is so much at ease here. If you want like a laid back good vacation, a good getaway from Delhi, this should be on the top of your list, because itna pass hai Delhi se. It has so much to offer, whether like you want to see the forts, you want to explore the history of a place, ya fir thoda bahut just street food that it has, which definitely was amazing. Milk cake iska bahut acha. I've had it before. I can't have it anymore because of my allergy. But I told you, like my family was here. I got them so that they can review the food for me, so that you guys know exactly kya khana hai, kya chhodna hai. So Silisar Lake is something that definitely not to put on in the afternoon. It gets way too crowded and way too sunny. तो boat ride में भी मज़ा नहीं आएगा. And I'm leaving Alwar today. I have to go get my bags packed now. So I'm leaving Alwar today with a lot of peace and satisfaction of spending my weekend here entirely in the luxury of this royalness, and really happy with all the experiences that I've had here, and I really hope that I'm able to share it the same way with you all and you enjoy the video. And iske baad the next stop we'll be making is, there's this really famous dhaba jiska I've had it, and it's really good food. तो on the way back from Alwar और जयपुर से दिल्ली की तरफ जो रास्ता है उसमें ये ढाबा आता है. So stay tuned and watch the other videos also if you haven't yet. My experience, my stay, my exploration in Jaipur. And my last two places that I've covered have been like the ultimate royalness. So I have had that share for now. If you have any suggestions, what places should I be covering next, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I'll really be looking forward to it, and I'll try to explore as much as I can and bring you the best of the experiences, so that आप लोगों की सारी travel itinerary पहले से decided हो. And this, I really want this channel to be the ultimate place where you just look at the video, see the video, and you know exactly मुझे ये करना है. So this is my new experience. I'm really trying that you get the best out of all this. If you like my video, definitely like it and share it with your friends, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't yet. On our way back, we spotted this local mela. एंड हमने सोचा, एक्चुअली सोचा नहीं, बस जस्ट एक्टेड ऑन दैट इम्पल्स एंड वेंट अहेड एंड बिकेम अ बच्चा फॉर सम टाइम. बहुत जोर से भूख लगी थी एंड फाइनली द फूड हैज कम. ये रहा खाना. This was the end of my Alwar series. I truly hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And make sure you subscribe because I'll be back soon with a new place, new experience and lots of fun. Till then, keep watching, stay safe.